There is a golden spice sitting quietly in your kitchen that could be the answer to inflammation, better immunity, glowing skin, and even heart health. It's not a miracle pill, it's turmeric. Today, we'll explore turmeric's hidden benefits, how to use it daily, and two powerful recipes, turmeric milk and turmeric water, that can truly elevate your health naturally. Hey health warriors! I'm Usman Hamid, and if you think turmeric is just for curry, think again. Let's uncover the truth. Natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse, chronic inflammation is linked to diseases like arthritis and heart issues. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, fights inflammation better than some drugs, but without side effects. A study proved it's as effective as ibuprofen for arthritis pain. Brain booster and depression fighter, turmeric grows your brain. Curcumin boosts BDNF, a hormone that helps brain cells regenerate. Low BDNF links to depression. Research shows turmeric can lift mood as effectively in some cases. Secret anti-aging weapon, forget expensive creams, turmeric slows aging from the inside. Its antioxidants neutralize free radicals, while curcumin activates longevity genes. Studies found regular users have younger-looking skin and lower disease risks. Digestive system savior, bloating, acid reflux. Turmeric activates bile production, which helps break down fats and soothes your gut lining. Studies show it reduces IBS symptoms and even heals ulcers faster. As piece of advice, take half a teaspoon in warm water before meals to prepare your digestion. Cancer-fighting potential. While more research is needed, multiple studies show curcumin can selectively kill cancer cells and enhance chemotherapy effectiveness, especially for breast and colon cancers. Unexpected heart health hero, turmeric improves blood flow, lowers cholesterol, and reverses artery damage. A study showed it reduces heart attack risk in people with diabetes. That's powerful. Now, discuss how we can use turmeric. The first one is turmeric water. Let's start with a morning ritual that's gaining popularity, turmeric water. This simple drink can detox your system, reduce inflammation, and even aid weight loss. Here's how to make it. Warm 1 cup of water, don't boil. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Squeeze in half a lemon. A pinch of black pepper. This boosts curcumin absorption. Add a teaspoon of raw honey for taste. Stir well and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This golden tonic kickstarts your metabolism, helps flush out toxins, and supports liver function. Many people also report better digestion, fewer sugar cravings, and clearer skin within weeks. Turmeric milk. We have the famous turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, a traditional remedy for better sleep, immunity, and even pain relief. Turmeric milk recipe: 1 cup of warm milk, a half teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon cinnamon, a half teaspoon grated ginger, for added anti-inflammatory effects, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Stir well and sip it slowly before bedtime. This calming drink helps you relax, reduces joint pain, supports respiratory health, and may even improve your mood thanks to turmeric's natural antidepressant properties. It's especially helpful during colder months or if you are recovering from illness. Remember, consistency is key. A pinch of turmeric a day, paired with black pepper, can make a lasting difference. Whether you start your day with turmeric water or end it with golden milk, your body will thank you. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe to Vitalitywaves, and share it with someone who could use a golden boost to their health.